Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda CRF450R, Honda's latest evolution of its championship-winning motocross machine. Whether you're chasing hole shots or carving berms at your local track, this bike continues to show why it's a staple in the 450 class. Let's get into what's new and what still makes it a serious contender. Design and ergonomics. From first glance, the CRF450R looks every bit the part. The minimalist plastic design stays slim, with sharp lines and aggressive styling that's pure race DNA. Ergonomics remain tight but intuitive, the seat is flat, the bars feel centered, and foot peg placement supports fluid movement. Riders will notice how easy it is to shift body position, especially when leaning into corners or adjusting mid-air. Frame and suspension setup. The lightweight aluminum frame carries updated flex characteristics for better front-end traction and control. It feels stiffer in the right places but still gives enough feedback to build confidence on rough terrain. The Showa 49mm coil spring fork and rear shock have revised valving this year, which makes the suspension more responsive without sacrificing comfort on hard landings. Whether you're hitting whoops, tabletops, or rhythm sections, the bike stays composed and balanced. Engine characteristics. At the core is Honda's 449 cubic centimeters Unicam engine, proven, powerful, and now a bit more refined. The 2025 update includes revised intake ports and ECU mapping, giving smoother delivery in the low to mid range while still keeping that explosive top-end power. Throttle response feels immediate but controlled, helping reduce fatigue during longer motos. Electronics and ride assist. Honda continues to offer 3 engine modes, selectable via the handlebar. These let you tailor the power curve depending on track surface or rider preference. You also get traction control and launch control, both adjustable. These systems don't get in the way, they're tools to help riders stay consistent under changing conditions. Braking and cornering feel. Braking remains strong and progressive, with a large front rotor and good lever feedback. On track, the CRF450R's turning ability stands out, it holds inside lines confidently and flicks side to side with ease. The overall balance of the bike helps with aggressive braking and fast transitions without compromising straight-line stability. Final thoughts. The 2025 CRF450R doesn't radically change the formula, it just improves where it counts. The handling is sharper, the power is more usable, and the ride is more predictable. Whether you're a serious racer or just chasing weekend thrills, it delivers the performance and precision you'd expect from Honda's premier motocross platform. Thanks for watching Motor Insight. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Honda CRF450R. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, subscribe for more two-wheel coverage.